How many planets are in our solar system? For years the answer was 9, now it's 8. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, the small, rocky inner worlds. Beyond the asteroid belt, we meet the giants, Jupiter and Saturn, then the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. These 8 planets are the official lineup, the ones in our textbooks and models. Each is unique. Jupiter's storms, Saturn's rings, Uranus's tilt, Neptune's winds. Their orbits are predictable, their roles well-defined. This is our familiar solar system family portrait. But is that the whole story? Science is always evolving. The number 8 is based on specific rules. But what if we question those rules? When we do, the count of worlds in our solar system can grow in surprising ways. The 8 planets are just the beginning. Our solar system's story is far more complex and fascinating than you might think. What earns a world the title of planet? The International Astronomical Union, or IAU, set the rules in 2006. First, it must orbit the sun, not another planet, not a star. Second, it must be massive enough for gravity to make it round, a state called hydrostatic equilibrium. Third, it must have cleared its orbit, dominating its neighborhood by sweeping away smaller objects. Only 8 bodies meet all 3 criteria: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Every other object fails at least one test. These rules were meant to bring order, but they also sparked controversy. The third rule, clearing the neighborhood, is especially debated. Even Jupiter shares its orbit with asteroids, and Earth wouldn't clear the Kuiper Belt. The IAU's definition is strict, but not everyone agrees it's the best way to define a planet. The debate over what makes a planet is far from settled. Our understanding keeps evolving. The rules shape our cosmic census. But are they the final word? Pluto was our 9th planet for 75 years, beloved by students and astronomers alike. But in 2006 Pluto lost its status. It orbits the sun and is round, but it hasn't cleared its neighborhood in the Kuiper Belt. The IAU reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet, sparking outrage and debate. Critics argue the cleared the neighborhood rule is vague. Even Jupiter and Earth share their orbits with other objects. The New Horizons mission revealed Pluto as a dynamic world. Ice plains, mountains, a thin atmosphere and possible subsurface ocean. Pluto has weather, geology, and 5 moons. By many measures it acts like a planet. Some scientists say a planet's intrinsic properties, shape and geology, should matter more than its orbital dominance. The debate splits astronomers. Is a planet defined by its orbit or by its physical nature? For many, Pluto's demotion is more than nostalgia. It's about how we define worlds. The controversy continues, challenging our definitions and our understanding of the solar system. Pluto's story shows that science is always open to revision. The question remains, what truly makes a planet? The answer is still up for grabs. Many scientists propose a simpler, geophysical definition of a planet. If an object is round due to its own gravity and isn't a star, it's a planet, regardless of where it orbits. This definition focuses on the object's physical nature, not its location or orbital dominance. By this standard, Pluto, and many others, are planets. The number of planets in our solar system would jump from 8 to dozens. Dwarf planets, large moons, and even rogue worlds ejected from their systems could all qualify. This approach celebrates the diversity of worlds, from icy spheres to rocky giants. It allows for categories, classical planets, moon planets, and even unbound rogue planets. The geophysical definition paints a richer, more inclusive picture of our solar system. It recognizes that a world's geology and complexity matter as much as its orbit. Our solar system could have 40, 50, or even more than 100 planets under this view. The story of planets is bigger and stranger than we once thought. The debate is far from over. If we count every round object orbiting the sun, the list of planets grows fast. The IAU recognizes 5 dwarf planets: Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Makemake, and Haumea. Ceres, once a planet, then an asteroid, now a dwarf planet, has bright salt deposits and hints of a hidden ocean. Eris, more massive than Pluto, triggered the debate over planetary status. Makemake is one of the brightest, and Haumea spins so fast, it's shaped like a football, with its own ring system. Beyond these, there are likely dozens more. Quaoar, Orcus, Gong Gong, and Sedna, which takes 11,000 years to orbit the Sun. Sedna's distant, mysterious path hints at a vast population of undiscovered worlds. Each dwarf planet is unique, with its own story, and clues to the solar system's history. They're not just small planets, they're a different class, remnants from the solar system's formation. Exploring these worlds expands our map and our imagination. The solar system is a menagerie of strange, wonderful planets, far more than just 8. Our cosmic family is still growing. The more we look, the more worlds we find. The geophysical definition includes not just planets orbiting the Sun, but also round moons. At least 19 moons in our solar system are large enough to be spherical. Jupiter's Galilean moons are worlds of their own. Volcanic Io, icy Europa with a hidden ocean, giant Ganymede, and cratered Callisto. Saturn's Titan has a thick atmosphere and methane lakes. Enceladus shoots water into space. Neptune's Triton, likely a captured dwarf planet, has icy geysers. Even our moon would qualify as a planet if it orbited the Sun. Uranus and Saturn have several round moons, each with unique features. Some asteroids, like Ceres, are already classified as dwarf planets. Vesta, once round, has a core, mantle, and crust. Planet-like traits. If we count these moons and borderline asteroids, the solar system teems with dozens of worlds. Our definition of planet shapes how we see our cosmic neighborhood. The more inclusive we are, the richer the solar system becomes. Planets are everywhere, sometimes hiding in plain sight. Our solar system may still hold secrets, like the mysterious Planet 9. Astronomers have noticed odd orbits among distant Kuiper Belt objects, hinting at a massive, unseen planet. Planet 9, if it exists, could be 5 to 10 times Earth's mass, orbiting far beyond Neptune. Its discovery would reshape our map of the solar system. The search is ongoing, a cosmic needle in a haystack. Beyond even Planet 9, the Oort cloud may hide trillions of icy bodies, some possibly as large as planets. The solar system's inventory is far from complete, so how many planets are there? 8? 40? More than 100? The answer depends on our definitions and our willingness to explore. The universe doesn't fit neatly into our categories. As our tools and ideas grow, so does our sense of wonder. The adventure of discovery continues. The great unknown is calling, and our solar system story is still being written.